BJP has moved High Court once again against the Kolkata police decision to deny permission to Amit Shah rally venue on 30th of November. So the Kolkata police has denied permission to Amit Shah to have a rally on the 30th of November. Court has granted permission to move the petition. Shambit is joining us on the story. Shambit, we see the turf war getting more intense between the West Bengal government and the BJP with this move.
Yes, this is a direct fight with Mamata Banerjee administration. In fact, Amit Shah, the BJP national president, is scheduled to address a rally of BJP in central Kolkata on 30th of November. And BJP had sought permission from Kolkata police to hold that rally in front of Victoria House in Kolkata, exactly the spot where Mamata Banerjee addresses her annual Martyrs' Day rally on 21st of July every year. And what we understand that the Kolkata police is not willing to give permission for that rally. They have cited several objections. In fact, law and order and traffic movement have been cited as the main cause for denying permission to them. The BJP had moved the Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court had asked the Commissioner of Police to sit down with the representatives of the Bharatiya Janata Party and decide about the permission. They had met last Friday, and then the permission was denied by the Kolkata police, and they had informed the BJP leadership that it will not be possible for them to give the permission. Now BJP has once again moved the Calcutta High Court and sought permission to file a petition. The court has granted them the permission. The BJP will file the petition on the ground that if Trinamool Congress is allowed to hold the rally in that particular spot, why BJP is not being allowed to hold that rally. So we'll have to wait for the court's or tomorrow the court will take up the matter, and then only we'll get to know if the court asks the Calcutta police to give permission to BJP leadership for that venue.
And it's very crucial to note here, Shambit, as you pointed out, that the TMC had been allowed to hold a meeting at the same venue, and the political significance of choosing this venue for the BJP president to hold a rally on the 30th of November cannot be missed. But here we see the Kolkata police denying the permission to the BJP on the grounds of security.
Not only ground of security, they have also cited the problem of traffic movement and law and order. And they had also told the BJP leadership to choose another venue near that particular venue that BJP is seeking for. But the BJP leadership is determined to hold the rally in front of Victoria House, because they are saying that if Mamata Banerjee can address the rally every year, why not BJP national president will be allowed to do so? So this is a political fight that BJP is taking forward, and we'll have to wait till 30th November to see what exactly happens, because Amit Shah is likely to kick off the campaign for Kolkata Municipal Corporation elections from that rally.